Hi guys, welcome. This is Lynn Kelley. Today I would like to announce an open invite to Lady Phoenix, also known as Allie, of Really Good Living. She is hosting a spring tablescape, an open collab celebrating autism acceptance. I am one of the co-hosts and also YETRA Khreacioness, and we would like to invite you join us in spreading love, acceptance, and kindness. It will be on April 2nd. The rules for participating are: 1. Create a colorful tablescape or a DIY wreath and/or both using colors of the rainbow, or at least 3 different colors. And they can be pastels. Neutrals are okay. You must include 1 butterfly or 1 bird and/or flowers. 2. The title is Spring Tablescape Celebrating Autism Acceptance. 3. Use the hashtag Autism Acceptance in your description box. 4. Mention all hosts in your video. 5. Insert the links of all the hosts in your description box. 6. Insert the playlist link in your description box. 7. Try to keep your video no longer than 7 minutes. 8. Upload anytime on April 2nd, 2020, and include the following in your description box. As we observe the month-long campaign promoting awareness of autism, let's instead shift focus and celebrate National Autism Acceptance Month. Different people think differently, not just because of differences in culture or life experiences, but because their brains are wired to work differently. Autism acceptance encourages autistic people, their caregivers, and society to adopt a position of neurodiversity, accepting autism as a variation in functioning rather than a mental disorder to be cured. Please list the host, Really Good Living, and both co-hosts. Please list our channel links in your description box. I think that's it. I'm wearing my wreath pin because you can make a wreath instead of doing a tablescape if you would like. A wreath is like an infinity symbol, and the infinity symbol inspires thoughts of inclusivity of people on the spectrum, and that's how it's related to autism. So if you don't want to do a tablescape, you can do a wreath. I am so excited because this is the first time I'm co-hosting an open collab. So I am really excited, and I hope you will join us. So have fun, and we will see you in the collaboration. Bye now.